stop.
Nope. Here, I'll take pictures.
Yeah. Take pictures and then press the download button. Exit out of it. It's not the camera. It's time to stop, Derek.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. That's the edge of it.
There's people up there. Come on, pictures, Jonathan, pictures. Pictures. Here.
Shift for me. Shift. Shift.
Okay, get ready to whip a bitch. Okay, stop now. No. Just, yeah, right here. Look at that. Wow, look at that.
Heck, yes. It's great.
Keep going up there, keep going up there. Get right up there beside it. I want to get where those guys are. Blast now.
Need a faster car.
That is a beautiful tornado.
That is huge. It is gorgeous.
That is a beautiful stovepipe tornado.
And it is blowing wind all around.
Debris. All right, you see where you need to stop. You see where you need to stop?
Yep.
Right before those winds, stop. Right
Here, coming up by this mailbox.
right by these cars.
We got debris. Tanks knocked over.
Okay, slow her down. Oh no, we have people involved. Okay, stop now, stop now. Keep going. Be ready to put it in reverse.
Here, pictures.
Jonathan,
This is so badass. We'll get right in there. There, get it. Pictures.
that's Reed Timmer. Reed Timmer. Go.
We're getting in with Reed Timmer. We're moving in with Reed Timmer.
Do not get in front of him. Do not disrespect him.
Pictures.
Oh.
Damn it.
Keep on going.
We gotta get something signed by him.
Whoa! Yeah!
Look out! Okay. See the debris, right?
Yeah. Go.
Okay, we're going around it. No, there's power lines. You want to phone? Get your phone out.
All right, let's back up. Backup's coming this way. All right, right here, we're good.